CloakGuard is easy to install. Here is all you have to do. First, make sure you have the Firefox Internet Browser installed on your computer. Go to the CloakGuard website at CloakGuard.com. Click on Try it for free. Now click on the Start Free Download button. A software install box will show up. Click on Install Now. Now restart Firefox. After your restart, you will see an add-ons box. CloakGuard will show up as an add-on. Now go up to the toolbar and go under Tools. CloakGuard will show up as one of your choices. It is now installed and ready to use.